Theories of electrochemistry. Now let's look onto 4 scientists. Luigi Galvani. In the experiment, when he killed a fresh frog, and he joined it with 2 different metals, the muscle contract, and he referred this as animal electricity, as below. Of this dead frog, when he contact with 2 different metals, copper and zinc, the muscle contract, so he called this is animal electricity. Very surprising. Alessandro Volta, he doubted this animal electric theory, and he paid attention is on the copper and zinc metal, and with the electrolyte. So he used a pile of alternative discs of 2 different metals, and the discs separate by a cardboard soaked in brine, and this is known as the voltaic pile battery today. And he proposed these metal theories to produce electric current. Look on the picture. Here is a copper and zinc metal, and they separated by an electrolyte, which is the cardboard in brine solution. If you connect it with a wire, and once you connect it with a wire, and you connect with a light bulb, and now you see what happened. Now the light glow. The light glow. So it proved that 2 different metals, copper and zinc, with electrolyte, it generates electric current. It generates electric current, causing the light to glow. And then he further, when he put another pile, he find that the electricity can go stronger. Another pile can make it stronger and stronger and stronger. So he proposed this is the metal contact with the electrolyte solution, and is causing the electric current, not the animal electric. Humphrey Davy, he used electric current to decompose substance like water, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Experiment as below. In the NaCl solution, this is an iron solution. He put into 2 metal rods, and he made use of the earlier Volta pile. And this Volta pile will generate electricity, will generate the current. So, and now you see, look onto this NaCl solution, what happened. On one rod, there is some metal start depositing. On another rod, some gas producing. And when he find out what is these 2 substance, one is a Na solid, another is a chlorine gas. They both as a pure element. By using this method, this is the today's electrolysis. And using this electrolysis, he discovered 25% of element in the periodic table, and which hasn't been discovered before. Michael Faraday, he looked onto this experiment. He gave explanation, and he explained the electric current causing the salt positive negative ion to break up into charged ion, and you move towards the rod of the opposite side. Look on picture. This NaCl, you break up into positive and a negative ion, and this positive negative ion will move towards the opposite charge rod. And this theory, when he put a voltmeter, to make measurement of how much electricity current it produced, and on this electrolytic decomposition, he can measure the amount of electricity produced compared to amount of substance produced. And this is called the quantitative electrochemistry. He can make measurement how much electricity can produce how many grams of substance. Summary. Galvani, he experiment of this dead rod connect with two different metal. Muscle contract, he refer as animal electricity. Volta, he using two different metal with an electrolyte, and he find the current goes through. He called this metal contact theory to produce electricity. Electricity comes from two different metal potential. Humphrey Davy, he using this volta power to generate electricity, and now he can use to make electrolysis to separate iron into pure element. Michael Faraday, he give theory and explanation of electric current will break up the iron into positive and a negative charge ion, which move towards the opposite charge rod. And he further make measurement of electricity produced and the gram of substance produced. We call today's quantitative electrochemistry.